Hello, good morning. We're in my filming room. So all week I've been telling myself I'm gonna vlog on Sunday. Today's Sunday, by the way. Today's Sunday. All week I've been like, I'm gonna vlog on Sunday, I'm gonna vlog on Sunday. And then it came to Sunday and I was like, I don't feel like vlogging. But my girl Kayla, ooh, it's so bright. Girl, Kayla, who is my best friend, told me that my graduation gift came in the mail. And so I felt like I had a vlog. But today is also baccalaureate, which is like a, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a mini graduation, like it's like celebrating graduation in like a small setting with your like classmates. So I thought I'd bring you along to that. Oh, I forgot to open the garage door. I'm driving to Kayla's, or I'm about to drive to Kayla's house right now to get my graduation gift that she's literally been like, oh my god, it's so amazing, you're gonna love it. And I'm really excited for what it is. I have no idea what it is. So we're gonna go over and see what it is.
There's your thumbnail. Get it? Get it, guys? A thumbnail? Oh my god, that's never been done before.
You're so funny.
Look at him.
Can I show them the picture?
I am really funny.
This is Kayla's drawing of us. That's
I forgot your hair's long, so then I messed up. Parkour!
Hi! No, don't film me.
I hate this.
She's like, stop.
I hate that.
Can I open it?
Yes!
I'm gonna put it upside down so you can't see the sheet. I don't
Smart.
know what it is. Well, she's been waiting so long. I think it's something spectacular.
It is spectacular.
No, you think so.
Have you seen him advertised?
How do I put this on?
Like you put on any other hoodie.
How long ago did you order this?
February.
And it's what, May? Why did it take so long to get in?
Because they're so popular. You kind of look like an Eskimo or something.
Do I look cute?
Yes. Chester, do you like it? Do you like it?
ASU bonfire.
I don't know how to stop this. We press the red button again.
So I'm currently curling my hair, so I thought I would update you guys on like what I've done today that I didn't vlog because none of it was exciting. So all I did was when I woke up this morning, I filmed part of a video. I filmed like the try-on portion of a try-on haul. I still need to edit it. I don't know if I have time for that. Like hopefully I do, but who knows if I actually have time for that. And then I just have been watching 13 Reasons Why. I just finished it like literally a second ago and it was really intense. So yeah, my last day of school, of like high school ever, is tomorrow. Yikes, last day of high school. So all my finals are tomorrow for like every single one of my classes. It's exciting. So I need to study for that tonight. I was gonna go to a grad party, but since I have to study, I just thought that like studying is more important than a grad party. Like obviously I want to go, but priorities. So I'm going to go to his baccalaureate, and baccalaureate is like I guess a religious thing, but since I go to a public school you take like the religious part out of it, and it's like an intimate kind of graduation where like you have students talk, like give speeches, and then you have like the choir sing, and then you have like all of these people talking and a teacher gives a speech. It's like a big thing, and like you're not required to go, but it's nice and you can sit with your friends, which I really appreciate, because graduation you sit alphabetically and I don't know anyone that's in my line pretty much. So yeah, for my line for graduation, I graduate on Wednesday and today's Sunday, so in 3 days. Like holy crap, what? I'm graduating? That's not happening. Like when did I grow up? Like wasn't I a freshman yesterday? In baccalaureate you wear your cap and gown. Rahur. Ta-da. Ta-da! The look, the cords, the medallion, the cap. The cap's over there. Wait, where'd I put it? Shoot, I think I lost it. Okay, I'm gonna go look for my cap real quick. Found it. Oh, hi. Go vlogging. Anyone want to say anything?
Well, go ahead.
Look at our little cap.
Class of 2018.
Wait, look how funny our little hats look like in this angle.
Oh, it's like that picture where everyone puts their head in. They're like, are you scared?
Do you want me my vlog?
Which side is this supposed to be?
Go on this right side. Everyone's taking pictures. Do you want to say anything? No. I miss you. Do you guys want to say anything? Make it look like I have friends?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you flipped off the camera. I was like, sorry. That's so weird.
Who does that?
It goes by fast. Let's just say that.
from choir, band, orchestra, and JROTC for their hard work and for their participation in today's ceremony. We can always count on a great show from them. We're gathered again as a community celebrating the success. It's hard to believe that another year has passed. Graduation ceremonies mark an important time of transition. As we wrap up the school year, we spend time celebrating accomplishments and remembering gratifying experiences, while also spending time making plans for new beginnings and launches to future banquets and other culminating events. I'd have to say thank you to the families in the audience and the couple raising these fantastic students. These students have accomplished so much. Camp Verde is truly blessed with wonderful.
Congratulations. Today is your day. You're off to great places. You're off and away. You have brains in your head and feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. And you're on your own, and you know what you know, and you are the guy who will decide where to go. You'll look up and down streets, look them over with care, and some you will say, I don't choose to go there.
Am I gonna fit in? Jumped in the cab, here I am for the first time. Looked to the right and I see the Hollywood. Oh shoot, what happened? I kept going. Everybody seems so famous. My tummy's hurting and I'm feeling kinda homesick.
What up? Kayla's hangry. Anything you have to say for yourself?
If you want to fight me, then fight me. The only person I'll fight is whoever's not making my fight.
Do you know more about American Girl dolls than me?
What?
Do you think you know more about American Girl dolls than me?
I think I know more about American Girl dolls than you do, genius.
You missed my baccalaureate, Kayla.
I wasn't supposed to go.
That was the worst thing.
Everyone knows me awkward. I was in the third row, right? Okay, so I was trying to like describe. Okay, so there's like 3 rows. I was on the third one. The row in front of me and the row behind me were choir people, and so they all got up to stand to like go sing. And my row was like, "Are we supposed to stand?" Like we didn't know they were choir.
Terrifying.
And so we're like, so we like half stood up, and then we're like, "Oh."
Yeah, and then you're like, do we stand? Do we sit? Do we still
Oh,
stand?
and then the guy that when they gave the speech, Flo, the choir teacher, he was like the person that gave a speech. He read "Oh, the Place You'll Go" by Dr. Seuss. He read it. I cried.
I cried too.
Girl, I cried.
Oh my god, see my foot, I see it, I see it.
Thank you.
I see it, guys, I see it.
Oh.
Guys, I see it. It's in vision, it's coming, it's coming. No, go grab it, I can see it. Just give it to me.
All my friends got Dutch.
Is she gonna pick it up? Is she gonna pick it up?
We're like
We're doing a
six people in
play-by-play.
a bus.
No one cares about your Dutch. We care about
Yeah, it was like 4-person car and there were so many of us in it. There was like,
That's very wrong.
there was 7 of us in a 4-person car. Okay. Honey, how do you feel about your food? Are you like relieved? Eat it faster. Show us how you eat. Yes. How does your fiance feel about you eating like that? Does he love it? I love it. You're beautiful. Work.
I'm squishing you. Pretend like you're dead. Wait, ready, set, open.
Is that alright? And I have a coupon in my purse for some free oil.
Denise says she wants that.
We getting fat. Convince Bob to get I'm probably gonna bleep it out. We getting fat snitches. I convinced Bob to get a brownie with us, so we're at Cone to Grill. We're waiting for him to get here.
This is a menu.
This is a face.
Fudge brownie. Don't you do it.
Frick, yeah. My phone's dying. Huh. So I'm just sitting here in my bed procrastinating, studying for my finals, but I thought I'd explain something because a lot of you guys seemed really confused. My Instagram picture I put, let me pull them up. These are my Instagram pictures that I posted of baccalaureate. Ta-da, go follow me. A lot of you guys were saying congratulations for graduating, but I didn't graduate yet. I totally understand because I was wearing the cap and gown. I put hashtag 3 days till grad because I thought that would help it make sense, but it was baccalaureate, which is not actual graduation. I graduate on Wednesday, but I thought I'd clear that up just in case y'all were confused. But thank you for the congratulations. I need to study for my finals, but I really don't want to. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.